Hello again. You guys just saw Max, who had another uncomfortable feeling. He felt frustrated, unlike Molly, who was feeling nervous. It was a strong feeling. His body was uncomfortable, just like Molly's body felt uncomfortable. Now let's take a look at this week's story card. This is Tatiana. She's trying to tie her shoe, but she can't seem to get it right. She tried to tie her other shoe and couldn't, so she threw it behind her. Then she started to cry. Let's think about Tatiana. Would you guys say she's having a strong feeling or uncomfortable feeling too? Yeah, I think she is. Tatiana feels very frustrated. Frustrated feelings can happen when you're trying to do something and it's really hard. Maybe you're doing a puzzle and can't get the pieces to fit. Max was frustrated when he cut off the wrong part of his paper star. Does your body feel comfortable or uncomfortable when you feel frustrated? Yep, probably uncomfortable. Feeling uncomfortable is a clue that you might need to calm down. You just saw Max learn 2 things to do to begin calming down. Let's do them together. First, put both hands on your tummy and then say stop. Let's practice doing this 2 times. Hands on your tummy. Stop. Stop. That helps your body regroup. Tatiana is feeling very frustrated about trying to tie her shoes. What can she do to begin calming down? Yep, you're right. If you said put her hands on her tummy and tell herself to stop, you're right. Stop. So today we learned how to begin calming down when you're having a strong feeling or uncomfortable feeling. Those are just 2 ways you can begin to calm down. Be sure to click on all of the activities in the Bitmoji classroom where you will see me looking a little bit frustrated. You can learn some more ways to calm down by clicking on the Daniel Tiger video and also the storybook. And you can also, when you do your seesaw activity, tell me what you think I should have done instead of flipping over my desk because I was so frustrated. See you guys next week.